Welcome to Salonify channel. My name is Kritika Krishna. In today's video, we will guide you through the simple steps of creating a customer profile in Salonify software. Let's get started. First, log into your Salonify account using your login credentials. Once you have logged in, from here, navigate to the Customer section by clicking on the Customers tab. On the customer page, you will see a list of all your existing customers. To add a new customer, click on the Create Customer button at the top right corner. Now you will need to fill out the customer information. Enter the customer name, contact number, you can also take an alternate contact number if any. You can set up a customer number for this customer and you can take also their email ID. This is optional but can be helpful for future references. Select the gender. You may categorize your customer into different groups. Please watch our YouTube video on creating group to know more detail about creating groups. You can also add additional details like their birthdays and anniversaries. The Salonify software allows you to send personalized birthday wishes. The software also alerts you through the dashboard if any of your customers' birthdays or anniversaries are upcoming. If any specific notes that are available for this specific customer can be set it up in the notes space. Select Detailed by clicking on the Detailed. Depending on the preferences of your customer, you can choose to allow or restrict the email notifications for appointments and offers. The wallet balance redemption OTP, membership credit redemption OTP, and spa pack redemption OTP can be turned on or off. You can also set up a fixed discount for this specific customer if you'd like. You can set an preferred employee for a client if they have one. And you can also update the customer's complete address. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click on the Create button at the bottom of the form. This will create a new customer profile in Salonify software. So you have successfully created a new customer profile in Salonify software. Now you can manage your customers' appointment preferences and more with ease. You can review a 360-degree customer profile by clicking on the View option. You can monitor customers' bills, view their wallet transactions, and you can also create notes and reminders with Salonify software's customer feature. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on how to get the most out of Salonify software. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and we will be happy to help. See you in the next video.